In this video, we'll be covering how to leverage labor insights to determine any fluctuation in labor expense year over year, as well as how to evaluate staffing efficiency and inform on decisions about how to adjust staffing appropriately based off historic and prior week staffing levels. First, navigate to the report. You'll find labor insights inside the labor module. Let's start in the labor summary report to analyze how our labor expense compares to last year. Begin by building out the report generator. First, select the appropriate business. Next, we'll select a year-to-date comparison to see if our outlet has incurred any additional labor expense this year compared to same time last year. Now we can choose to view all job classes side by side across departments or hone in on any one particular job class. Finally, I'll select a metric to analyze, such as total pay, and then click Go. In this report, we can compare our total spend for labor this year so far versus the same time last year. Take a look to see which job classes have had any spikes or significant savings over the same time last year. Use the additional context section above to determine if your sales for that outlet have gone up or down year over year to put the increase or decrease in labor expense in perspective. In order to better incorporate your sales fluctuations, switch metrics to labor as a percent of gross sales to see if your scheduling has been adjusted appropriately to demand and if you've been further able to reduce your labor costs. Ideally, if you're staffing to demand, you'll see no change or even a decrease in your labor percent of gross sales from last year to this year. Let's look at covers per labor hour as another efficiency metric. Compare current covers per labor hour throughout your job classes compared to the same time last year to determine if you're staffed as efficiently as possible. Look at certain key job classes such as server or line cook or prep cook to see if the covers per labor hour have gone up or down compared to same time last year. If you have any standards in place, such as servers seeing at least 5 covers per labor hour, track to see if you're still on trend or if you've improved or decreased with this efficiency metric. Staying in the same report, let's look at our labor efficiency in the current work week. Let's switch to a week-to-date date range. This should align with the start and end of your current work week. We can now see a breakdown of which job class has been contributing the most to the labor pool so far this week, and same down below in tabular format. Sort by overtime hours, total hours, or total pay to see which job classes have contributed the most to the current week's labor pool. Viewing by covers by labor hour will key you into how efficiently your team operates. For key roles like cook and server, how many covers per labor hour are they serving? Compared to your labor standards, how efficiently are you staffed? Click into any job class to be brought to a payroll report, which will show you the current labor expense by employee for the desired job class.